Hello, this is Cashback Coin. In this video, we will go over how to sign up for Bitget, complete KYC, and set up OTP. Box or the pinned comment below. You can enjoy a 50% fee discount. Before we get started, if you sign up using the 50% discount link in the description. Let's go through the process of signing up by clicking the link. First, you can start the registration process by using either your email address or phone number. We will be signing up using an email address. Enter the email you want to use and then input your password below. Your password must be 8 to 32 characters long and include at least one number, one uppercase letter, and one special character. Once you've entered the information, make sure the referral code G6EQ is entered in the referral code field below. This code must be entered too. Receive powerful commission benefits, 70%. Agree to the terms and conditions. At this point, a second window will appear. In that window, scroll all the way to the bottom to activate the Agree button, so make sure to scroll down completely. Next, click on Create Account, and a window will pop up. Look at the image in the top right corner of the window and follow the sequence shown. Finally, a verification code will be sent to the email you used to sign up. Enter the code to complete your registration. If you followed these steps, your Bitget registration is complete, and you'll receive the fee discount benefits. Next, you need to complete identity verification KYC too. Proceed with cryptocurrency trading. Let me explain how to complete the identity verification process. After logging into the Bitget website, hover your mouse over the profile icon in the top right corner. Then, click on Identity Verification. Click the Verify button to begin the identity verification process. In our case, the nationality is automatically set to South Korea. Among the available verification methods, select one you can use. We chose the ID card option for verification. Scan the QR code with your phone and complete the verification by using your phone's camera to capture your ID and verify your face. The approval process will be completed within an hour. Next, we will set up OTP for account security. This time, click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select Security. Click the Configure button under Google Authenticator. Download the Google Authenticator app from the appropriate app store for your phone. You will see a QR code and a backup key. Use either the QR code or the key to link your Google Authenticator app with your account. Open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Tap the plus button in the bottom right corner and select either Scan QR code or Enter Setup Key. Scan the QR code or enter the setup key and your OTP will be successfully linked to Bitget. Enter the OTP code in the final field and click Submit to complete the Google OTP setup. That wraps up our tutorial on how to sign up for Bitget, complete KYC, and set up OTP. In the next video, we'll explore futures, trading, and copy trading. Your subscriptions, likes, and comments greatly support the channel.